In this video, I will show you how to avoid the 10% tax when you create DRIP BUSD liquidity tokens to stake in the animal farm. If you have BUSD tokens sitting in your wallet, earning you nothing, and you want to pair them with DRIP to earn passive income in the animal farm, this tutorial is for you. I will guide you through the simple process of creating your DRIP BUSD liquidity pool tokens, which you can then stake in the high-yield paying DRIP BUSD farm. I assume that you already have a MetaMask or any other crypto wallet with some BNB in it, and that you know how to connect your wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. If you don't know how to do this, I recommend you to watch my MetaMask video tutorials first. If you are already familiar with the process, you can head straight to the Animal Farm website. Be sure to connect to the official animalfarm.app website. Click on the Launch App button and connect your wallet. Click on the liquidity link and select DRIP Liberation. This will open up the old user interface of the animal farm, and here's where you create DRIP BUSD liquidity to Pancakeswap without paying the 10% transaction tax. Saving money is that simple. Forex has promised to implement the DRIP Liberation site in the new animal farm dashboard, but in the meanwhile, we need to use the old interface to create LP tokens. You also need to connect your wallet here. Click the Connect button in the upper right-hand corner, and you are good to go. Select the BUSD token, put in the amount that you want to spend on DRIP BUSD LP tokens, and click Supply. If you use the protocol for the first time, you must enable the BUSD before you can interact with the smart contract. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and supply the tokens. You will see how many LP tokens you're going to get before you click Confirm Supply, and if you are okay with the amount shown, complete the transaction. When the transaction is done, and your LP tokens are in your wallet, you can go back to the new Animal Farm website. There are now two options to stake your DRIP BUSD. You can put the LP tokens in the DRIP garden and earn plants. These plants cannot be sold. Once you bought your first plants, they will start producing seeds that will earn up to 3% compound interest daily. These seeds can be sold for DRIP BUSD LP tokens or compounded, allowing you to grow a larger garden and produce exponentially more seeds. Or you can deposit your LP tokens in the DRIP BUSD farm and earn dogs, which you can then stake in the dog pound to earn pigs. The pigs you earn in the dog pound can be staked in the pig pen, where they earn BUSD rewards, and the BUSD can be used to put back in the DRIP Liberation contract to get more LP tokens. The animal farm is a free money generating ecosystem. I have a few video tutorials on how to use the dog pound and the pig pen. Check them out to find out how to maximize your animal farm profits. Just remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and never invest money that you can't afford to lose. This is crypto, and anything is possible. I just show you what I do, and you should never copy other people's actions. If you have any questions or feedback to share, please use the comments section below. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell to be the first to find out when I post a new video. Have a great day, and stay safe.